Good morning everyone. Today we're going to show you how to make a payroll and payslip for the given workers using Excel. So first, you can see right here we already have a ready to go format, and all we need to do is to compute the regular and overtime pay, all the tax and loans, and of course it's net pay. You need to compute first for the regular pay. You just have to multiply the rate and the hours worked, also the same as the overtime pay, but you have to multiply it by 1.5. And getting this is add the regular and overtime pay and multiply it by 5%. Also the same as the PhilHealth, but use 2.5%. Also the same as the Pag-ibig, but use 2%. Keep in mind that the limit is 200 pesos. The total loans and deduction, just add the SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig, and the net pay is subtract the total income minus the total loans and deductions. In here, since they're just the same type of compensation, you can just like scroll it down and it will automatically show the result. And here we're gonna use different functions since it's different from the type of compensation we've used earlier. So you can see right here that it's almost the same, but it's different because it includes a piece rate instead of an hourly only. Alright, so in monthly, I just have to copy the monthly salary into the regular pay and yeah, compute the overtime pay using the overtime rate. And yeah, you can just scroll it down like that because it will automatically show it. And you just have to do the same because since the three workers have the same type of compensation. So yep, like you see, it will just automatically and here is I got commission plus allowance. So you have to add the base pay and the total commission of it, and still same process by getting the SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. You just have to magically like scroll it down and it will automatically show the results. Also the same as the next worker since they have the same type of compensation. And here we have a piece rate. You just have to simply multiply the rate and the pieces completed, and same procedure for the tax and loans. And here we have the last worker, which is fixed rate. You just have just copy the rate for the regular pay and same procedure still for the and here is now the completed payroll. Now that we're done making the payroll, we can now move on making the payslip. In this procedure, there's a specific function that we will be using, and it's the XLOOKUP function. And why do we use this function? You'll see why. So here you can see a ready to go format of the payslip, and when you use the XLOOKUP function, it will ask for the lookup value. The lookup value is simply the worker number that we have put in the payroll. So you just have to select that, and the lookup array is the all the worker number that you see in the payroll. You just have to select them. The return array is the information or the value that you want to transfer or move from the payroll to the payslip. So you can see right here that we selected the worker number, the employee name, and after we selected all of those, we pressed the F4 to lock it up. And make sure to lock it up using the F4 key because you'll see in the future. As you can see, they're all the same procedure on how the XLOOKUP should be used. The difference in here is the return array. It will differ depending on what information or value that you're trying to look for or transfer from the payroll to payslip. So now that we're done transferring all the values and informations from the payroll to payslip, we will now proceed to compute the total earnings and total deductions. For the total earnings, you just have to add the regular pay and overtime pay, and for the total deductions, just add the tax and loans. And for the net pay, obviously, you just have to get the difference of the total earnings and total deductions. And here is where the magic happens. Once you're done getting all the values of it, you just have to select the whole payslip, and you can just drag it down, and it will automatically show the corresponding value of the second worker. Like, bro, it's like magic. As you can see right here, the first payslip shows the salary, the information, anything like that for the worker number 1, and for the second payslip, it now shows, instead of the worker number 1, it now shows the worker number 2. So that's how you make a payroll and payslip using Excel.